friends, and welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we are going to be drawing a sailboat. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. We are going to start with the top line of the boat itself. It's pretty straight, but it's got a slight curve to it. So about the bottom third of your paper, you can start and you can make the right side just a little bit higher than the left. So slightly curved line, just like that. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna actually jump up to the top and do the mast, or this pole of the ship. And it's gonna be about the same height as the boat is length. So I want you to measure this line here that you drew, and then flip your hand around and do that. And make a dot right at the top. That's how tall your mast is going to be, about the same length as your boat, all right? Now this is a very straight line, so hold your hand steady, and from that dot, straight down to the boat line. Nice. All right, now we're gonna do another line right next to that one. And this is a pretty skinny mast, so keep them close together without touching, and do another parallel line that runs right next to that one. There we go. Now let's close off the top with a little bit of a curve that goes up like that. All right. Now there's a little flag that sits up here at the top of the mast. So we're gonna do that next, and it's like a triangle. So our first top line is gonna go out like that, okay? And then bring it back to touch the mast, and you've got a little flag. Now we're gonna add one little line inside of that that makes it look like it's kind of hanging on. So it's tied there. It's tied here and here to the mast. It's not glued all the way down, all right? Good. Let's start on the sail, all right? So this front sail's got a little bit more wind in it. We're gonna start about where the bottom of the flag is with a curved line that comes away from the mast a little bit, okay? So it's got a little bit of a curve to it, but then it kind of comes back in like that, all right? And you all remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, you can always pause the video until you catch up. Let's do the other side of that. This is gonna start a little bit above that one, and it's gonna come out almost to where the edge of your boat is, all right? And stop there. And then we're gonna bring it across here. That's creating our triangle for our first sail of the sailboat. Great, now we've got one sail. Let's do the other one. And this one's a little bit lower than the first one. And it's going to be closer to the mast, so it's not going to come out quite as far. It doesn't have as much of the wind in it. All right, so we've got one line there. Our second one is on top. Okay, it's going to come out, and then it's going to cut back over to this one. Awesome! That one got a little wiggle in it. All right, it's got some wind on that one too. Okay. Let's jump back down and do the bottom of our boat. And those are kind of two curved lines. They slightly curve in. Now you can decide how deep this boat is going to be. Sailboats aren't usually too thick at the bottom, so I'm going to make mine about that size there. And then I'm going to do the other side here. Slightly curved line. Nice. And let's connect them. Now here in the picture, it's a straight line, but I'm thinking we may want to put this boat in some water. So what do you think we do a slightly curved line at the bottom, like a little bit wavy, so it looks like the bottom of our boat is sitting on the wave? What do you all think? Yeah, I think that's nice. Now we'll have to make the wave come outside of that a little bit for it to look right. So let's extend our wave like that. You see what I did there? All right, now it's sitting in the water. Extend your wave there. Beautiful. All right, now let's add a couple more wave lines. You could have the water all the way up here. We don't know where in the ocean this boat is. So let's add another one. I don't think I want mine quite that high, so I'm gonna put it maybe right here is where the water is. There's more water. And maybe I've got a few more waves in the front here. There's one. All right, how about that? Now we've got our boat in the water. What details can we add? I've got some stripes on my boat here. I think I'll add some of those in too. I like those stripe lines. All right, so I'm just following the curve of my boat like that, and maybe one more here. Nice. Now, if you wanted to add some stripes on your sails, or some other designs on your boat, or some fish in the water, or the sun in the sky, you can always fill up your page with your design. But let's add some color, all right? So I'm doing kind of, basic boat colors. I've got some brown for the boat, some red for the flag, and some blue for the sails. A darker kind of gray here for my mast. And I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always stop at the end if you want to see how I did my colors and, try to match them. I think I'll start with the mast. I always like to have multiple colors in my drawings. It makes them look more realistic. It makes them look more 3D and realistic. Maybe that's a new word, realistic. The nice thing about colored pencils is you can color one color right over the other and they blend beautifully. And for the sails, I was going to do kind of a darker blue stripe here towards the bottom. What about the water? Maybe I should add some blue for the water. Let's do a really light, kind of an ocean-y blue. All right, friends, I think I'm done with my sailboat. How's yours looking? It may not look exactly like mine, and that is okay. The important thing is that you are having fun learning how to draw, and I would love to see your sailboats. You can share them with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids, and I will upload them into our Shine gallery. Until next time, keep on drawing, and remember, it's just lines.